All right, everybody, welcome to SuckleBusters Outdoor Kitchen. I'm Dan Arnold, I'm the owner of SuckleBusters, and today we're going to talk about family breakfast. You know, during the holidays, we usually end up with a lot of people at our house, and I always kind of scratch my head of, what am I going to make for breakfast? We're going to help you out with that today. We're going to make breakfast burritos, Texas style. For this recipe, breakfast burritos, you're going to need 18 eggs, 1 pound of sausage, you're going to need a red bell pepper, an onion, 3 jalapeno peppers, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and then you're going to need 36 flour tortillas. You're also going to need about 10 or 12 corn tortillas, and then you need a stick of butter. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use our Twin Eagles teppanyaki to cook this recipe. We're going to start out and we're going to brown 1 pound of pork sausage. You could also use chorizo. That's up to you. Either works great. While our sausage is browning, we're going to begin to slice our vegetables. We need 1 red bell pepper. You just want to go with a rough chop. Today we're also going to use 1 large yellow onion, just a rough chop on it as well. Next we're going to add 2 jalapenos. Also we're just going to chop those. I like to leave the seeds in. It'll be fine in the recipe, it won't be too hot. Okay, so we have our vegetables chopped to a rough chop. Our sausage is finishing up cooking, so we're going to add our vegetables to the griddle. We're going to put a little butter down first just to help those saute, and then we'll season those with our SPG All Purpose Seasoning. As our sauteed vegetables are finishing up, the last step for those is to add 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic. You want to save the garlic to the last because if you overcook it, it'll get a little bitter. You just want to mix it in. The next step is to add corn tortillas to our vegetable mixture. We're going to use 8 corn tortillas. We're going to just chop them up into small pieces and put them right into the mixture on the griddle. Once you chop them up, just add them right to the vegetables. Stir those in, and then also add your sausage back to the mixture. As our corn tortilla, sausage, and vegetable mixture gets to the final stages, I'm going to go ahead and warm up our flour tortillas on this side of the griddle with just a little bit of butter, and then we'll add our eggs and finish the cook. So I have 2 zones on my griddle. I have a hot cooking side, and then I have a holding side over here. It's turned down to a low temperature. Our sausage, tortilla, and vegetable mixture is back up to temperature. I'm going to add 18 whisked eggs and finish the cook. Once you get the eggs incorporated, you can kind of spread them out and let them finish cooking. Just flip them until they get nice and fluffy, then you can pull them. I'm going to go ahead and turn my teppanyaki down now and just let these eggs finish cooking real slowly. Now that our eggs have finished cooking, all that's left to do is assemble. So we're going to take a warm flour tortilla, a little bit of the egg mixture, add that in, sprinkle on a little grated cheddar cheese, and I like to add a little bit of Texas heat pepper sauce. Gives it a nice bite. I recommend you make a big batch, share them with your friends, have a great time around the holidays, and don't forget to save a few for yourself. I hope you enjoy.